What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see here, we're back in the parents' driveway, but we're actually here for my brother's 10-gen hatch right here. As you can see, he's done quite a work to it. He got some new wheels, tires, and even lowered it on some box springs, of course. But yeah, so today we're gonna be actually installing the rear Boomba engine mount that I had on my SI. You know, I recommended it to him because, you know, the car, when I had it, felt nice. So we're gonna go ahead and install that on this car because, you know, 10-gen Pro here, because I've, you know, taken the car apart. But yeah, ooh, peeked that 8th gen that back there. But so we're gonna go ahead and check up the car and get to it. It should be a pretty forward install because I've done this before. But let's go ahead and get to it. So the car all jacked up. We're gonna go ahead and go down and show you guys pretty much what the rear motor mount is, just in case you guys don't know what it is. Pretty sure you guys do. But let's go down here. So it's the motor mount right here that we're actually replacing. It's this one right here. There's a bolt right here, and there's actually, I think it's a 10 right here that's covering it, but the other bolt right here. Pretty simple. We just have to take off this one, this bolt, actually 3 bolts, a little small one, and these 2 big ones, which we'll find out the sizes because I haven't done this in some other SI. But I totally recommend running Boomba. I've run it on my SI, and as you guys know, I run it on my 8th gen. I love the feel of it. So I told my brother, pull the trigger, we'll do it, I'll do it for you. Simple as that. So we're gonna go ahead and do it on this Civic hatch, and let's get to it. Okay guys, so here we have the little small bolt that we have to remove to access the bigger bolt that holds the rear engine mount, but it's actually an 11. So just go ahead and pretty much take it off. And just like that, it falls off. Nice and easy. So now we're gonna see, as you guys pull it down, you have access to that bigger bolt right there. And just this one and that one, you should come off, but you're actually gonna need a pry bar, which will show you how to do. Let's see, take off the 19 right here with brute force. And you might ask yourself, why do you use impact sockets? We can't, because the downpipe's right here, and I really don't want to remove the downpipe. So we're gonna go ahead and use the 19, simple right here. Just attach it and just use some brute force. And that one's already loose. And then just take it off. Just like that, you got the 19 off. Now we're gonna go ahead and move to the back one, which is actually 17. Like I said, it's a tight little spot, so that's why we're using again another little socket, and it's a 17. So let's go ahead and loosen that up. Kind of can't see it because of the plastic, but it's not right there. So some brute force. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and use a cheater bar because it's pretty tight, because it's obviously your motor mount that holds your motor in from the back. So just go ahead and just hold it, just twist. And just like that, it becomes loose, and you should be able to take it off by hand. So we're going to just pretty much take it off. Just like that, the bolt should easily just come off, pull the plastic down, and here's the good old 17 that we have to take out. Just pretty much, remember, the 17 goes in the rear of the mount, and the 19 goes in the front of the mount, so don't mix them up. What I'll do is just pretty much align them where I know they go. So I'm gonna put this one back here, you know, the other one right here, put it on the front right here, so I know where they go. So to take this one off, pretty much have to pry this whole thing out. So we're gonna go ahead and get a pry bar and just pry the motor forward, just like that. So you have a little wiggle room, pry forward, and then it should come off. So let's go ahead and get that pry bar. All right, so as you can see, it moves forward and back, but obviously we can't get out because the motor's in the way. As you can see, it shakes. So we're gonna go ahead and get a pry bar and get the sweet spot back here and just pry forward, and the motor mount should pretty much try to get out. Simple as that. As you can see that, we got it out. And here we are showing off the 2. As you can see here, the Boomba one right here, nice and red, CVT, because it's automatic. Obviously they have an automatic and manual one. As you can see here, like I can tell this is different from my SI one that I took off like what, 2 years ago. As you can see here, it's pretty much, it's solid compared to this one where it can have more flex. As you can see, I can move that. So we're gonna go ahead and pretty much install it. Pretty much to put it back in, same as taking it out, you have to move the engine forward. On the side up, it goes up. So this is gonna go up like this. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get this bad boy in and take off for a test drive. Alright guys, as you can see, we got the rear engine mount nice and installed. Same process, take it off. You pry it from back here forward, and you just slide it back in. And just make sure to torque those bolts, kids. They're both 47 pounds. So just go ahead and get a torque wrench or go to AutoZone and get one. Pretty simple. Don't, you know, it might come loose. It might, you know, you're risking too much when you could just torque them down pretty much. So there we go. We have the nice Boomba rear engine mount installed on my brother's Civic hatch. Alright guys, so that's gonna do it for today. Actually, I lied. We're actually gonna go test drive it. Since my brother's been driving this, I'm gonna try to get his feedback. Since he already got springs and tires, I haven't been in it ever since it's pretty much stock. So we're gonna go ahead and take you guys on the test drive. Alright guys, we're back in my brother's car. First start, let's see how it sounds. Go ahead, Jesus. So we're gonna go ahead and take you guys on the test drive.
Sounds aggressive.
Oh, not the vibrations. So we're gonna go ahead and just pretty much take it for a test drive right now. See what my brother thinks about it. We'll pick the 8 gen right there. Man, put it back. Go drive it, please. Huh.
This is good. Was pretty solid.
Doesn't feel like a boat anymore. Shout out to iBox for the springs. Okay, Jesus. Okay, I see you.
Nice and smooth.
So one thing I do want to add, it doesn't vibrate as much as the other ones. It vibrates at the beginning, like how I did on my other installs on Boomba. It vibrates at the beginning, but as soon as it takes off, like you can hear no vibrations. You can kind of hear them. After that, it's pretty smooth. Alright. Yo, this car feels way different than the last time I drove it. Damn, so pretty much last time since I've been in it, it felt like a boat. He had the stock tires that I had on my side.
70 on a curve right here. Nice and smooth.
And now it doesn't really feel like a boat. It's nice and sharp. I like it. Pretty much just tell Cheese what you think about the engine mount.
It's pretty stiff. The car feels a lot smoother, especially with my springs and my new tires and wheels. It just feels like one solid piece, like it's supposed to be in a car. And I'm pretty much able to accelerate a lot better.
No more wheel hop?
No more holding you back.
There you have it. So now we've officially we've done Boomba mounts on the 10 gen Civic Si, this Civic hatch, and my 8 gen Si. And to think this hatch started as a base model pretty much when my brother got it, and it's pretty looking good. I like it. The tires he got, the wheels, the springs. He started modding it pretty much. It looks nice. I am liking the direction he's taking it. But yeah, so if you guys are interested in any of these products, the Boomba line and anything that I've done to the cars, just go check them out at boombaracing.com. They're pretty awesome dudes. I've always liked supporting them, and they've always supported me. So go ahead and check them out, and pretty much we're just gonna go around. Pretty sure that since we've done all this, the car should be fine. I've done this before on my SI, as you guys seen. So we're gonna go ahead and just cruise around and see you guys in a bit. Oh, I don't know if you guys hear that turbo spiel. Ooh. Also courtesy of Boomba. He has my Boomba blow off valve pretty much that I've had on my SI. Gave it to my brother here. So if you hear those nice turbo sounds, thanks Boomba. I'm in this part, Jesus.
Definitely. Especially when it's feel a lot better to your engine.
There it is. You heard it here first. Just a pretty much simple install. Once again, if you guys ever need help, you guys can reach me at my Instagram or project.si with any questions you guys have, or comment in the YouTube. But yeah, we expect more installs mostly now that my brother is modding his car finally. So make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends, family. Just a quick plug. If you guys want to see some more dope pictures my brother posts, check out those videos, man. I love it. They look nice on this car. I'll leave his Instagram right here so you guys can go get him and give him a follow. Just a quick plug for you guys. If you guys want more hatch content, coming soon. I swear this time. Alright guys, catch you guys in the next one. Peace.